All right, so another alternative for you for designs. I've given you a ton, right? So you can do it yourself or outsource or hire a designer or do whatever you want. This one is like the Cadillac of them. It's very expensive, but it works. You can end up with some very, very cool stuff from here. I think the minimum used to be like $80 when I started, but I think it's even higher now. So the way it works is um, you post a job, and then you have designers that will kind of do up mock-ups for it, and then you pick the ones that you want to go with, and then you give them feedback, and then you just keep like narrowing it down, and then you end up with the design that you want. It does cost quite a bit more. Like I said, here's how it works. And it's a whole different format because instead of going to like Fiverr and getting one designer and his input or her input, you get multiple. So it's like it's really neat. Like you can end up with some very, very cool stuff. So clothing and merchandise, and then you go. I don't even know if they have it on here. Other clothing. I didn't see it. T-shirt. I guess you'd have to go to other. See how it works. So yeah. So tell us what you want, right? And then you get dozens, like you do. You get dozens of designs within your dashboard, and then you basically pick them, give them feedback, and then you award the winner. So it's a very cool thing. The only thing I don't like about it is how much it costs. It's primo, like it's expensive, um, but you do get more designers. So it says 10 plus freelance designers compete to give you a great clothing or merchandise design, fund files, and copyright. Okay, so you get the full copyright to it, and it's guaranteed. Um, so what I like to do with this, and what I've done in the past, is I'll go here when I have something that's been selling well for a while, but it's starting to kind of fade out for sales volume. I'll go to 99 designs and I'll just post the text that I want on it, and then I'll say like what I want, like it's got to fit a circle, and I'll get like 10 different designers to compete with a new version of it. So when you have a new version of an old seller, you can recycle it and you can keep selling the new version because people will see the old one and the new one, and if they don't look alike, they don't realize that it's actually the same saying. So there's a neat little trick for you later on when you get something that sells like 10,000 units and it's starting to burn out after say 6 months or a year. Go here and create another version of it and then sell that one. And you could literally just keep creating versions of your stuff because we're going into gigantic niches, and you could keep cycling through versions, and you do very well that way. So have a look at it. When you're first starting out, I don't recommend it, but later on, it is a good option to have. Okay?